Look at this big old banana. They all look the same to me. Waxing the little kitty cat. You think I stink?
The biggest orb.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited for today's vlog because it's going to be a prep for vacation slash maintenance vlog. I haven't got my nails done. Also doing my lashes for the first time ever, like lash extensions, but that's going to be for tomorrow. It's gonna be like a combination of like 2 days type of vlog. I showered really quickly and put on some light makeup. I'm not sweating. It's literally just my moisturizer. I stole some of my mom's moisturizer, like anti-aging, and I feel like it makes my skin look really good. I'm literally wearing this, it's cropped sweater from Pretty Little Thing. It's actually really cute, but it's just not appropriate for this hot weather, girl. And I'm starving. I'm literally so hungry. I have 2 cheese sticks and a banana, which I'm probably going to devour right now to BH. And then we're also gonna go to Target, which I'm super excited about. I need to pick up some things, some minis, and just maybe some wax strips. Maybe we'll wax later together. I need to think about what nails I want to do. I'm thinking about Ferrari red, like a really cherry red. Not cherry. Cherry I feel like is dark undertones, but just like really bright red. You know what I'm saying? Or classic French tip. I don't know. I can't decide, so let's get going. You guys, this place is non-existent. Literally non-existent. Now it makes sense why they weren't answering their call. Like, what the freak is going on right now? Like, I'm so confused. I am so confused. I don't know what to do now. Well, I'm obviously gonna have to go somewhere and get my nails done, but I'm gonna have to make a phone call real quick. In 15 minutes? Okay, perfect. I can be there.
Okay, we'll see you soon.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Everyone has that. I'm on the phone voice. Okay, so 15 minutes. Oh my god, it's so freaking tight here. That's what she said. That's what he said. I mean. Hello. I have an appointment today at 6:45. Sorry? Yes. Thank you. You guys, I'm thinking of going with Vegas with a bolt. This one, it looks a lot darker on camera than it does in person. You guys, there's literally a bar and snacks, complimentary. I kind of want a cookie. So it is the next day. I am on my way to get my lashes done, and I'm really excited about this because I actually had a company reach out to me to collab in a video, to collab in a video in exchange for free service, and it's a lash company. And I know that getting your lashes done is like pretty pricey depending on what you get. So I was like, for sure, like I am so down. I'm honestly just excited for the free service because it's expensive. I didn't even get to show you guys my nails. So these are the nails that I got. Here, let me see. Oh, they're so cute. I wanted kind of like an almond shape, but not too pointy. I don't want to look like I have witch nails. No shame to anyone that gets them, but it's not my preference. They are still a little bit pointy for my liking, but I'm like obsessed with them. I really like the color. But yeah, I really wanted to get French, but I'm like, I'll just get that next time. I'm going on vacation. Let's just do something a little bit different. I'm currently stuck in traffic. There is traffic always. It's never a surprise when you're going into the city. I think that's with like every state though. I don't know, I just feel like Chicago's traffic is so bad. Look at this big old banana. Hello? I just wish you guys could see. Don't be getting any wrong ideas though. What is going on there? That is not normal. They're literally putting some, what is it when they put things in fruit to make them grow? GMOs? Is that what it is? GMOs? Grow more over time? No, I don't know. I think it's GMOs. I don't know. I'm so uneducated. Don't listen to me. I don't think that's normal. You guys, I'm like so obsessed. Like, is this me right now? I told her I wanted like natural but length, but also I don't want them to like shrink my eyes. I don't know why I was having anxiety about getting them done. I didn't want to have like a allergic reaction or anything, but I'm so obsessed. They're so cute. We are currently driving on our way to Best Buy. We're also gonna go to Target, and we're also gonna go to Home Depot. We're going to Best Buy to buy a drone for content on the vacation. Pablo had that idea. He's like, we're gonna film cool content. I don't know how to, like, I feel like drones and I feel like they're kind of complicated. Maybe not, but I just don't like reading instructions. And then I have to get some stuff from Target, which you guys will definitely see. I'll do a mini haul. And then we're gonna get packing later and put outfits together of what I'm gonna be taking and toiletries and such. So that's what we're doing right now. Who do you think you are, Cooper? Charlie. It's a retro Best Buy.
They do have a mini pro here.
Is that the one? They all look the same to me.
Do they?
I'm just kidding. That's how guys are about shoes, right? Don't you say like, oh, they're all the same, and they're literally like 3 different shades of black.
They're all the same, huh? You're talking crazy as fuck to me right now.
What do you mean?
I mean, you're not gonna let me put it in.
We're at Target, guys. Why is it every time that you guys see me on camera, I'm starving? I just am. I love food. Come to me, food.
I think I did 2 buffalo, 2 ranch. You might give me an extra set? Thanks. Yeah, because I know how you are for that ranch and buffalo, baby.
Am I a whore for the buffalo and ranch?
The biggest whore for buffalo and ranch. Whore. Stop it.
I'm gonna devour this food. Okay guys, it is currently, to be exact, 10:46. I have yet to pack. I literally just have to pack like my dinner outfits, and the bikinis is an easy part. It's more so like cute things that I want to wear for dinner. Pablo, my boyfriend, his parents, you know, they were so kind to bring me along, basically, you know, pay for my ticket to come along. So I'm very, very grateful for that, and it's a very, very special vacation because it is my boyfriend's 30th birthday. I wanted to show you guys what I got from Target. I just ended up getting another sticky bra. I know I could have probably gotten this on Amazon. I literally thought about it like 2 days ago. I didn't want to kind of risk it not getting here on time. And then I also got some fashion tape. I got a big claw clip because the one that my friend Anais gave me, it broke, and I'm so sad because I really love that clip. I basically got one that's almost identical. This one's like glossy. The one that she got me was matte. I'm gonna bring you guys along. We're gonna be waxing the little kitty cat down there, if you know what I'm saying. You're not gonna be seeing my goods. We'll just do it together. I've been seeing this brand a lot at Target, the Flamingo brand. These are specifically for pubic hair, okay? I'm not gonna do my whole kitty cat. I'm just gonna be doing a Brazilian for the most part. I also ended up getting a toothbrush. Pablo insisted on getting me this toothbrush because it's cute and pink. I do have an electric toothbrush, but it's kind of like really old. Because of that, I ended up wanting to get this mouthwash because I've heard, you know, the TikTok girlies have talked about this mouthwash. Specifically the green one, but I don't know what the difference is. They had so many different kinds, like literally I want to say maybe like 7 different mouthwashes of this brand. And I just got the whitening one because I'm here for oral care, but I'm also here to have some pearly whites. Got a mini hairspray, a dry shampoo, some Q-tips, a mini clinical grade because a girl needs all the deo for the BO. This is it's so funny because I literally had a different deodorant, like a spray one. I love the spray ones. I think they're so easy. And then Pablo found this one and he's just like, hey, maybe you should take this one. And I'm like, huh, you think I stink? I was like, all right, fine, I'll take it. You got me there. And you guys, I'm so excited to show you this. I'm not for gatekeeping, like, girl, sharing is caring. So let's just give each other all the secrets, you know? I really wanted a cute makeup bag for a while now, so I feel like this one came up at the perfect time because it is so cute and aesthetic. Like, I can't wait. I'm taking it on vacation. You already know, like, girl, she is doing things to me. Are you ready? It's like giving Louis Vuitton, but it's a makeup bag. I don't know, it's just so cute, and it's like leather. This is the top handle. It's completely cream. It's not white, it's like a cream. It's just so pretty, and I love the gold hardware. And then the inside is really, really big. It's like perfect. It's literally what I've been looking for like an everyday makeup bag. So the way that it opens up, you guys, like, are you kidding me right now? Stop it. It's illegal. It's supposed to technically open up flat like that. And then, you know, you have your little pockets, little like compartment in here, little zipper, maybe brushes. I don't know. That's too thin for brushes. And then there's another little zipper. I like that it's leather in here because you know how makeup bags, they always get dirty. It's easy to clean, you know, and there's nothing better. Okay, so right now I just want to get all my clothes ready because I feel like that's the one thing that's stressing me out the most. And then after that, I can do whatever else I need to do. I did also want to show you guys this top that I got from Zara at one of their sales or something like that. Girl, their freaking sales go hard sometimes. Like, you can find really cute stuff for like 10 bucks or less. So this top was $9.99. And I think when they rang it up, it was like $7.99. So I was like, what? I'm so tired. It's already 1:40, about to be 2. And we just finished packing. I'll show you guys the luggage because I'm really proud of it. I feel like everything's organized and I just feel, you know, organized. Anyways, so we're gonna give this a go. Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm gonna have to like, wait, which one has the wax? So, cause they're like attached. So I thought one was the one that I was supposed to use, but I guess you can use both. Okay, so, ma'am, it's literally on my skin. Holy cow. I'm about to die. Oh, I wish I could show you guys, but if not, this probably would be considered corn. Hold skin taut. 1, 2, 3. I can't do it. Oh my god. What's going on? 1. Wait. Please, God. I cannot do it. I can't do it. I'm stuck. I can't do it. Do you guys hear that? Wait, twat. 2. It's definitely working. Hi guys, it's editing Leila in here. I thought I actually filmed showing you my luggage because I really wanted to show it off. I was super proud of it because it was the first time I did a luggage like that because I'm always so messy. But yeah, I also didn't close out the video. It was literally like 2 in the morning. But anyway, you guys, this is me closing out the video. Stay tuned for the actual travel vlog. It will be coming very, very soon, and I will see you guys later.